trying to make money online by selling digital products, but you feel like no one is buying, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to teach you something powerful, how to use email marketing to make sales while you sleep. Even if you're new, even if you don't have big audience yet, and guess what? I'll explain it like you're a 9-year-old child. No big words, no tech stress, just real talk. So grab a snack and stick with me to the end of this video because this one will change everything. All right, first thing first, what is email marketing? It's simple. You collect people's email addresses, then you send them helpful messages, and sometimes you show them something they can buy from you, like ebook, courses, or digital products. Okay, let me give you an example. Imagine you sell your own perfume. Instead of just waiting for people to find your shop, you collect their email addresses whenever they buy from you. Now, every time you drop a new scent, you send them a message like, hey, I just released a new vanilla and rose perfume. You'll love it. That's email marketing. But instead of texting, you are using email to keep them in the loop and excited to buy. Now you might be wondering, why not just post on Instagram or TikTok? And here's why. Social media is noisy. People scroll fast. Your post might get ignored, okay? You don't own social media. If Instagram goes down tomorrow, your followers are gone. But your email list, you own that. Email is personal. It lands in their inbox just like a letter from a friend. People check email more than they check their DMs. And the best part, for every $1 spent on email marketing, the average return is $42. That means email makes money plain and simple. Okay, now, how do you actually get emails? Let me show you the step, super simple. Step 1, create a freebie. People won't just give you their email for nothing, so offer them something free and useful. Example of this is a free checklist, a 5-day mini course, a short ebook, a hair care guide if you sell beauty stuff, right? Call it your free gift and make sure it solves a small problem. Step 2, use an email tools. Okay, you need a tools to collect emails and send your messages. Right, now here are some beginners friendly tools. 1, MailerLite, great and free. ConvertKit, easy to use. System.io, free and also has landing pages, right? These tools help you make a form, collect emails, send email automatically, right? Step 3, put your form everywhere. Once you have your freebies and your email form, put it in your bio on Instagram, at the end of your YouTube video, on your website, in your WhatsApp group, anywhere people can see it and sign up. Now you're probably like, okay, I got their email. What do I say? Here is a simple plan. Week 1, welcome plus value. Email 1, welcome them, say hi, thank you for grabbing the free gift. Email 2, tell your story, share why you started your business. Email 3, teach something small, a tip, trick, or lesson, right? Now week 2, start selling gently. Email 4, share a success story, someone who used your product. Email 5, show your products, tell them what's inside. Email 6, create FOMO, only 3 spots left or price goes up tomorrow. Now here is a bonus tip for you. Use simple language. Talk like you are texting your friend. Don't just collect email and disappear. Send messages once or twice a week. Even if they don't buy right away, you are building trust. And when they are ready, guess who they will buy from? You. Be real. Be human. Tell stories. Share behind the scenes. Ask questions. Make them feel like they are part of your world. So let's recap. Email marketing is one of the best ways to sell digital products. Start with a free gift. Use a simple email tool. Build trust with helpful emails. Then gently sell your product. These strategies work not overnight but consistently. Now I want to hear from you. Have you started your email list yet? Drop a yes or not yet in the comment section. And if you want a step-by-step video on how to set up your first email form and freebies, do it below in the comment section, right? Also, grab my free course on how to launch a digital product by monetizing your knowledge using a proven system. Link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who is ready to make money online. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.